Hey guys, today we'll be seeing about the chassis assembly instruction for this robot. For this you need the top plate, which is provided with the logo, the bottom plate, and 4 of this I section, 8 of this T section, and 2 of this sensor mount. Four of these BO motors. This is 300 RPM geared motors. 8 of these 3 mm bolts. 4 of these tiny screws. This screws is for mounting our wheels. You will get 4 wheels along with the kit. To start with, we have to peel off this outer cover from these acrylic plates. Like this. After peeling off the paper, you will get this nice clear acrylic frame. Okay. To start with, we'll first assemble the motors to the bottom plate here. In the bottom plate, you could find these 2 slots. This slot is for the T section, and this slot here, this cut here is for the I section. So first we have to take this T section, insert it here, and now we have to take the I section. You could see 2 mounting holes in the motors which goes with the I section. Here you have to take a 3 mm bolt, insert it, and this I section should go with the slot provided for it, like this. And if you tighten the bolt, this thread gets into the T section, and you can see this motor mounted like this. Just a gentle tight is enough. Over tightening this bolt will have the risk of breaking the T section. Yes. Similarly, we have to mount all the 4 motors to the bottom chassis. Yes, now all our 4 motors are mounted to the bottom plate. You could see the I sections, T sections, and the motors here. And one important thing is you have to keep the shaft of this motor to the outer side, that makes the space for the wheels. The next step, we have to mount the top plate to this chassis. For that, we need a top plate, two sensor mounts, 4 3mm bolts. That's it. So to mount the top plate, first we have to place these sensor mounts here. These two slots present here are for the sensor mounts. So we have to insert the sensor mounts. In the top plate also you could see the two slots here. These two slots will go to the top side of the sensor mount. Okay. Now to insert the top plate, you could see 4 slots here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. These slots are for the eye sections. So first we have to press these slots into the eye section. And then we have to correct the sensor mount also. Now you could see everything is in the place. You could find 2 sensor mounts, the eye sections, the top plate, bottom plate, everything. So now all we have to do is insert the T sections and fasten the bolts on the top plate also. Insert the T section and your bolt will go like this. Okay, now we have fastened the bolts for this motor. You could see this motor is rigid now. Similarly, we have to do for the other 3 motors also. While tightening, we have to hold the T section. That will provide a grip for the fasteners. The assembly of the frame is completed now. Now we have to assemble the wheels. So wheels will go in like this. And to make the wheel more rigid, we will be inserting this tiny screw. This screw will go in here. Similarly, we will insert all other 3 wheels. Yes, that's the end of the assembly. Now we have this chassis assembled.